stick your nose.
It was copying
Dan,
it.
stick your nose, see if it copies it.
Move your arm like it.
Dan, say.
Look at it. Look.
Jeez.
Shut up, right? Do that. Oh.
These birds will bite.
Oh! He's telling him to shut up. Dude, it actually said shut up.
Yeah, did it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I said shut up. Look at it. It copies you.
Hello. You told him to shut up.
I know. Did he actually say shut up?
Yeah, the red one.
So you say hello.
Shut up. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Alan.
Alan.
Alan. Alan. Alan. Alan. Hello, Alan.
Alan. Alan. Because you're actually with them like.
Bye, Birdie. Bye, bye, Birdie. So say bye. You're Dumbo, right? Hello.
Oh, look at it. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. This sounds pretty, you know. Look at his tail.
So wait.
Not for yellow on it.
It says it's called the only large cockatoo with an entirely white crest.
Hello.
Bye, bye, Birdie.
Hello.
I was getting across.
Look at it. Look at his copying Dad.
See, Dad likes things that copy him.
Hello. Didn't he say hello?
Yeah.
Hello.
This guy's got grass on his mouth.
Hello.
He's eating.
Hello. Your Anthony.
Say bye.
Bye, bye, Birdie.
Bye.
The guy's eating.
Bye, bye, Birdie. Fine. You're gay. What did you say? What did you say?
Hello. Hello. What? When he walked off, he went, hello. Hello. This one says it as well.
Can you see a chimpanzee in the thing?
Hello.
Yeah, we've seen the bird.
What do you know when you walk off? Hello.
Bye.
Hello. When Malcolm was
Hello.
screaming, I told it to shut up.
Did it?
Yeah, he went, shut up.
Shut up.
Oh. That's cute.
The best thing I've seen of all there is the chimpanzee. Like, one of the guys waved and he waved back to him like that and put his hand out like, whoa. It's the best thing I've seen all day.